Hey y'all, so as you can see, I only have my brows done because I'm not put together, that's why. It's like, nah guys. My name is Ariana Jolie. If you do not know me, welcome to my channel. I make beauty related content for you guys and a lot of makeup and, you know, stuff like that, lifestyle, hair, stuff like that. But mainly makeup. You'll see a lot of the majority of the time will be makeup, and then here and there I'll do like hair and like random like routines and stuff like that. But today I wanted to do like a Valentine's makeup look for you guys. So this company named Look Fantastic reached out to me via email and asked me if I was interested in reviewing a beauty box that is Valentine's Day themed, and I was like, oh my gosh, of course. I looked them up on Instagram and they seem to be very successful in their brand, and I wanted to support them by reviewing this beauty box. So in the email it says, this exclusive Valentine's Day beauty box includes 6 amazing full-size products which are listed down below. All of these products were handpicked to help you get ready for the perfect Valentine's Day night. The box is worth over $300 and we would love to send you one in exchange for a non-dedicated YouTube video. In addition to the box, we will also send you a trackable link that could be turned into an affiliate link and used to earn commission on your sales on the box. So I was reading that and I was liking what I was hearing, I was liking what I was seeing, so I replied and was like, of course, why not? I would love to review your beauty box for you guys, especially for Valentine's Day. I love doing like themed looks, so like Valentine's Day is around the corner. I want to do a Valentine's Day themed look for you guys while reviewing this beauty box too. So let me show you guys the box. First of all, this package. Oh, I'm just trying to like hide the, you know, the stuff, the important stuff, you know what I'm saying? Ooh.
Yo, guys, look at this amazing, look at this packaging.
Look at this packaging. Okay. Wow, this is probably like the best. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I'm being dead honest. This is probably the best packaging I've received in a package in my life. Like, it's so pretty. It's like in the design of an envelope, and it says Look Fantastic Valentine's Collection. So you basically, I would think you just open it like an envelope. So you just open it like this and it opens just like you would a regular envelope. And look at the design, like inside it has little hearts and it's just so cute. The first thing I see when I open the box is this little slip here that tells you everything that is included. So on the front it has 3 items, on the back it has 3 items. So let me read off to you everything that's included. The first item I see here is the Pixie Hello Beautiful Face Palette, the LA Angel, worth $24. With 15 shades inside, 12 for the eyes and 3 for the face, this Pixie palette is perfect for creating an endless number of looks. Formulated with vitamin E to nourish and hydrate, and each shade is buildable to add definition to the lids and a natural looking flush to the face. So that is this palette here that's on the top right here. The second one is the Eye Cooking Eye Cream. It delivers powerful hydration to help tackle dark circles, fine lines, and calm puffiness. Formulated with coconut oil, vitamin A, and glycerin, its lightweight feel effortlessly sinks into skin to help support natural collagen production and reduces signs of aging. And that's the one right below it, right here. The third one is the Color Wow Dream Filter Treatment, worth $25. This pre-shampoo treatment is an industry first, designed to be sprayed onto the hair before washing to remove metals and minerals that cause dullness. It begins to work in just 3 minutes and is suitable for all hair types and colors. And used just once a week, your hair color will appear noticeably brighter and your hair less damaged. So the fourth one, the Benefit Cookie Highlighter, worth $27. Get the ultimate glow with this ultra fine Benefit highlighter. The universally flattering cookie, a champagne shade with a slight golden shimmer, is designed to give your complexion an instant radiance. Use along your cheekbones, brow bone, and cupid's bow for an illuminated, healthy look. And that is the Benefit Cookie Highlighter. Sarah Chapman Skinesis Intense Hydrating Booster, worth $64. Wow. Lightweight, silky, and oil-free, Sarah Chapman serum will give your skin some much-needed TLC. With a blend of supercharged ingredients inside, your skin will look visibly plumper and glowing. The clever formula defends against bacteria and irritants and supports dehydrated skin. And the last one, the Dr. Brandt Micro Dermabrasion, worth $64, guys. That is a lot of money. That is a lot of money. Oh my gosh, this is worth $64. Polish like a pro with this Dr. Brandt facial exfoliant, formulated with professional grade crystals that penetrate skin to a deeper level, smoothing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and revealing radiant skin. Suitable for all skin types, but particularly great for aging skin. This exfoliant gets to work in just 2 minutes. And guys, this is supposedly everything that is included in this box. So let me get to showing you guys each and every product that is in this box. Okay, so the first thing I see is the Pixie Beauty LA Angel palette, and this is the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using to demonstrate what it looks like on me and on my brown skin tone. This palette is mainly like a neutral palette, so I'm going to do like a neutral glam Valentine's Day type of look. The second thing I'm going to be reviewing is this Benefit Cookie Highlighter, and it comes with a brush that I can just like glide on my cheekbones. This is what it looks like on the inside. Okay, so I can't really do a tutorial with some skincare products because normally this is when you take off your makeup, so I'm just going to show you what these look like, you know, up close. This is the Sarah Chapman Skinesis Intense Hydrating Booster, and this is more for the older people. I personally, obviously, I'm 18 years old. I don't have wrinkles, of course. I'm not old, so I'm not gonna have wrinkles until I'm 40 years older than I am right now. But this visibly pumps the look of lines and crepiness, restores your dewy radiant glow, and gives moisture relief to stressed, parched, dehydrated, and thirsty skin. So this is basically supposed to very, very, very intensely moisturize your skin. So for those dry folks out there, this should be the one for you, because honey, I have some dry skin. Like, I be getting dry patches all over the place. I have some under my eyes. Like, I be getting dry patches under my eyes, and hopefully this does the trick for me. So the next thing is the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion, and this is the age defying exfoliator. So this is also supposed to be a part of your skincare routine. So when you wash your face, you do a regular face wash, and then you exfoliate your skin. This exfoliator is supposed to be for the older folks again, so it's supposed to reverse the effects of aging, I should say. Last product, oh my gosh, this is big. This is the Color Wow Dream Filter for Picture Perfect Color. This is the pre-shampoo mineral remover. Traces of copper, iron, magnesium, calcium, chlorine, and other elements that remain in your hair will warp your color over time, making it look yellow, brashy, and ashy green, dull, dark, and dingy depending on the mineral content. So Dream Filter, ideal for all hair types and color shades. Stop texting me! They're ideal for all hair types and color shades, scavenges, and lifts off minerals to unveil optimal color. Highlights are heightened, dimensions are deepened, paler shades are blonde, gray, ash white, appear lighter and fresher. Dream Filter removes imperfections for picture perfect, should I say, color. So directions would be to apply Dream Filter to dry hair before shampooing. Spray evenly to saturate hair. Wait for 1 to 3 minutes, then shampoo. For best results, use Color Wow Color Security Shampoo. Wow, so those are all the products that were included in this box. I'd like to say a huge thank you to Look Fantastic for sending me these lovely products, especially in full size. These are not little samples. These are big, like these are the actual regular sizes. I really honestly want to get into this palette, yo, because I never tried Pixie Beauty for one, and I heard a lot of good reviews about it. So guys, let's get into the tutorial. Say it with me, the tutorial. Unfortunately, one of the shades came broken. I don't know if you can tell, but this one right here is a little bit crushed, and I was spending a little bit trying to put it back together because it was a little shattered, but it don't matter. It still works the same. It still applies the same. It still does the same thing. So I'm going to prime my lids first with the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C1. And I'm just going to just, you know the drill. Apply both to my eyes and blend it out. Okay, so for my first color, I'm going to take this brown shade right here for my transition. So I'm just going to dip the brush in, tap it off, tap all that excess off, and I'm just going to pop it right into my crease. Ooh, that's pretty. And it blends, like, wow. Y'all, like, this is very effortless to blend. I swear, like, some palettes give you a hard time to blend, and this palette's not really giving me that much trouble. I want to deepen it up with this black right here, and I'm just gonna lightly, because I don't know how harsh it's, I don't know how pigmented it is, so I'm just gonna lightly tap it and apply that to the outer corner. I'm gonna take another shade and lighten up the crease. I'm gonna lighten it up with this shade right here. This shade. That's pigmented too, wow. It's really applying like flawlessly, just like the last two shades I used. Kiki, what are you doing here? So far, I'm really liking what I'm seeing because these shadows are just so pretty. I'm honestly in love like with how it's coming out so far. The blending is flawless. I didn't have a single problem. Like as soon as I swiped my brush on my eyelid, it just blended. Like I did 1-2 swipe, 1-2 swipe. Next thing you know, like it's, you know, the colors diffuse just like that. Always give my honest opinion in every single video. I'm not over, you know, I'm not overhyping it just because I got this scent in me. This is my honest thought. This is probably gonna be one of my everyday palettes that I like to use, like one of my go-tos. If I don't want to do something too dramatic, I'm gonna pick up this one to do like a nice neutral look, like a one shadow look. I'm gonna take this little like pinky reddish orange shade. On my camera it kind of looks orange, but in person it's like more of a burgundy red pink. So I'm gonna take it. I'm just going to swipe that across my eyelid. Alright, for the inner part of my eye, I'm going to take this shade right here, the broken shade, sadly, but I'm gonna take it. Ah! No! I'm gonna take that shade that I showed you, and I'm just gonna put it in the inner part of my eye. It does not show up as pink as it does in the palette. So as you can see, this shade I'm talking about right here, it's kind of like a rosy pinky shade, but like in my eye it looks more like a tannish shade. So I don't know about that, but other than that, I really do like this eye look. I'm gonna take this Lorac. This is old. I got this from my mom. I need to go makeup shopping for myself because it's sad that I took this from my mom. Sorry mom, I love you. I'm gonna take this eyeliner from Lorac and I'm just gonna do a simple liner. I haven't been getting Shakira's music out of my head. Like, you know the song Waka Waka? Like that song's been playing in my head on replay all day. Like ever since I seen the halftime show. Like, I don't know. Oh yeah, let's not forget about hips don't lie. Ladies, do your hips lie? Do your hips lie? Let me know. I'm gonna do my face makeup off camera and I'll be right back in a little bit. Now I really wanted to try a highlight that I got from Benefit right here, and I want to try it out on my cheeks, so I'm gonna use the brush that came with it. I love how it comes with a mirror too, so I'm gonna use the mirror. And let me take it off, take the plastic off. So satisfying, like ripping the plastic off the makeup products, like Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh, okay, that is blinding. Okay, that is the definition of blinding, and it might be a little too much. I went ham. And this is my first Benefit product, by the way. I'm putting some in my inner corner. Blinding. This might be too much, but I'm still messing with it. Like, I love it. But I'm gonna do some lower lash line with the same palette. And I'm just going to apply that underneath my lash line. This is like the most basic look, but it's just like pretty to look at. But a look is not a look without eyelashes. Don't you guys agree? Yes, no, maybe. Yes, no, maybe. Yes, no, maybe. It's like, nah, but I'm gonna do my eyelashes. I don't know what eyelashes I'm gonna put on yet, but I want to do some like romantic eyelashes, like perfect for Valentine's Day. So I'm gonna take my favorite lashes, the Flawless Ambitions lashes in the style Charo, and I am just going to apply those to my eyes. Okay, so for lips, I'm gonna take the Milani Metallic Lip Cream. As you can see, I already have lip stuff on my lips. That's because I was trying out what color would look good. Obviously, this doesn't look good on my lips. You already know. So I'm applying this. And let's see. Yeah, looks way better. Is this giving you Valentine's Day vibes? Because that's what it's giving me. But there you have it. This is the completed look, and I want to give a huge thank you to Look Fantastic. Oh, let me get comfortable. I want to give a huge thank you to Look Fantastic for providing me these products to review to you guys. And of course, since this is a makeup look, I didn't really get a chance to use the skincare products since I wanted to show you the palette and the highlight, this blinding highlight. So if you want to see another video with me testing out the skincare, which I am so happy to do, I really want to try it, let me know. Or I can do like an Instagram story or something of me doing like taking off my makeup with the products. So just let me know what you guys would rather see, and I'll be happy to do it regardless. So yeah, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I'm looking forward to have 2,500. I'm looking forward to have 2,500 subscribers. Like makeup, beauty, and everything beauty related. Please subscribe to your girl's channel, support her, and all those things. Leave a comment down below on this video if you liked it. Leave some suggestions below for some suggestions on some videos I should make, and I'll be sure to make some videos regarding your suggestions. And also subscribe to my boyfriend and I's couple channel. It's called Ari and Rai. The link will be in the description if you're interested in watching couples and more into my personal life and stuff like that. The link is just Ari and Rai. It's down below. Go click and subscribe and support. We'll post like pranks, couple related videos, like vlogs, you know, challenges, stuff like that. And that's pretty much it. Happy Valentine's Day. I know it's around the corner. Treat your man good, treat your girl good, whoever's watching this, treat whoever you're with good. Valentine's is coming up. Surprise them with a nice lovely gift. Treat them to breakfast in bed, chocolate covered strawberries, out to eat. Treat them, you know. Valentine's Day coming up. Show your person how much you really love them, you know what I'm saying? So that is your daily advice from Ari, you know what I'm saying? It's like, no, let me stop. But that's all I have to say. Have a blessed day, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.